This is the Nintendo Switch 2. It's the first time I'm getting my hands on this, and I'm just going to show you on what you get inside the box. This package comes with the Mario Kart World game. Right, you get two joypads, which has a powerful magnet that slots inside the Switch. Beautifully built with plenty of function buttons. The Switch itself has a 7.9-inch widescreen. There's vents at the bottom with a charge slot. Has a very strong hinge to stand the screen on the table. And up to 120Hz variable refresh rate. A 1080p LCD screen with a HDR10 support. More vents, USB Type-C charge slot, headphone jack, game cartridge, volume buttons and a power button. There are other features that I probably missed out as I'm briefly unboxing this for you guys. A quick manual on how to connect, comes with a HDMI cable. Two joypad wrist straps. I believe you get a code to download the Mario Kart game. Now this acts as an actual Nintendo controller, so you simply just slot in and you have your very own controller. Power adapter with a power cable. Docking station with two USB slots. To remove the controller, you simply press on this button to release. It's a custom NVIDIA processor with an 8-core CPU, 256GB, battery life in between 2 to 6.5 hours depending upon the game. More videos on the Switch coming soon. Happy gaming guys, peace.